Good day, guys. So today I'll be showing you how you are going to design, or how you can design a logo with the use of Canva. So you go over to your Canva. So like I always say, your Canva will always function when your data is turned on. So you make sure that your connection is on before you make use of Canva. So our connection is on that way. You just have to be patient and allow it to load. All right. So click here and you click on the logo. Okay. Think it has not loaded, so just wait. So here are several kind of logos you can edit, but we are not editing, we are just designing from scratch. So now what we have to do now is we have to color it. Let's make use of this color. So actually the logo we are designing a cook, like let me say a logo for a cook. So we know what to do. You go over to your browser. Let me just minimize that and go to my browser. So you search for flaticon.com, then it will take you to your website. So in the flat icon, see the icon, the box search button, search the search box. Just click on that and then you type in cook sorry cook icons for cook. So we're actually looking for icons for cook. So here are several icons for restaurants and all that. So let's just look for let's download this. I have it downloaded already. Okay, so let's download this too. Actually making use of one, so we just have to, you can just download this one in case we are using this. So I have this already, so I think that's all. Let's go back to our browser, Canva rather. So this is it. Now after that, what we have to do now is we click on the plus, this plus, for the sake of this plus, you click on that. Normally plus is always a language of addition, so you should all be familiar with that. So after you click on that, it will bring all these options. Look at this. These are designs, these are elements, and then this is gallery. So actually we are importing from gallery, so you click on this gallery. So which one should we go for? Let's go with this. Let's just add that. Okay, so I think it's okay this way. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Make it centralized. I think it's okay that way. So let's bring in a shape. So for bringing shape, this is what you should do. This is for text, this is for project. We are bringing shape. Go to elements. So I actually want to bring a round shape. Let's make this shape. So I actually want to bring a round shape. Just make it lower like this, look like this, and then address it to this part. Just to make our logo as simple as possible. So is it centralized? I think this is centralized. So let's color it. Let's color it. Let's look for a color to color it. So just there are many colors here. Which color are we even using safe? Let's color it. Should we use this? Okay. There are many colors here, but just let's go with the okay. So let's go with this red. Let's go with that for the sake of our time. Let's go with that. So all right, so we now bring in our text. You click on this plus to bring in our text. We go back to text. Then this is text. You click on text. Then you add a heading. Good. So now you edit. Click on edit to edit it. So what we are putting is, let's just make it okay. It's okay. Oh, um, all right. So let's make it this way. Ajike Kitchen should be okay. So let's just look for a kind of fonts to change it. You just have to change the font. So here is font. Let's go with some fonts. We actually have some fonts that are here, but numerous fonts. Um, we can just go with this. Let's click on that and see. I think this one should be okay. This one should be okay. But we need more fonts, more of. Let's look at this Anton and see. All right, so I think that should be okay. Now I think this font is okay, so let's just reduce the size. Let's reduce the size a little bit. Okay, so all right, so you can just color it the same color as of that this thing. You just color it red. Is this okay this way? I think it's not. Let's make it black. Black is okay. I think black is okay. So Ajike Cook. So this is one of the ways you can design logos, simple logos with Canva. So after you have done that, I think it's centralized. Should be centralized. Yes, it should be centralized. Yes, it's centralized. So I'm using my hand to move it, but Canva is already just showing me if I'm moving it beyond position. So it's going to show me lines and how I can be able to align okay correctly. But then I can still make use of manual movement. This thing here, I think it's here. There are some tools that are here that I can use to move them. So here is the I want to bold it. Let me just see if I can utilize and bold. So these are the options to make use of that, but it's not necessary. So we have, where's it called now? So it just, if I want to move it, I think it's moving. You can see the way it's moving. So once it is at the middle, it will just show you line that is okay at the middle. It's aligned. All right, so it is aligned. So one of the ways for which you can make perfect design is just for you to design and design appropriately aligned. Okay, design and make your design properly aligned. All right, so thank you very much for staying tuned for this class, and see you next for the next training.